Day 21 of harvest log, and we are pushing up on with the KWS Palladium up on the hill. Combine is in the distance between those two bits of trees. This one was combined last night, and we have got some interesting equipment going on here. Little conventional balers going, and then an accumulator which pops them into two stories, if you like, 7 apiece, ties string round them. Which can then be carted off the field. So the guys that are doing this, aiming to do about 6,000 like this. This field's currently on about 2,200, so Jack's just been saying on the baler. Quite a lot of straw, surprisingly large amount of straw actually for the year, especially when you see them all laid out in individuals. There's a combine over there. So we've got about another 80 hectares to do of winter wheat, and then we have some spring wheat for wild farmed. We have a bit of heritage wheat, and then a few beans to do. So nearing the end of harvest 2025. Friday night, just done the last probably fish and chip run of the harvest. Exceptionally hot weather again forecast over the weekend. We are really dry. We have been planting cover crops, haven't planted any oilseed rape yet. Going to need to wait for a serious amount of rain before we get going on that, but obviously not too much rain. And then we will be hopefully able to get going. Stubble turnips are just emerging, which were planted a week ago. They were up in about, well, some of them were up in about 4 days. It's a patchy emergence where the soil's good and it's got a bit of moisture, they're up. And we'll see how they get on emerging over the next week, 10 days or so, but